children are losing interest in doing any of the hobby activity which once they enjoyed a lot. Very annoying. It is very much sad that nowadays children are only busy with school का काम, घर का काम, ट्यूशन का काम, यहाँ का काम, वहाँ का काम, ये वाला assignment, वो वाला assignment. My God, how much pressure, how much stress the children are facing. स्कूल से घर पहुंचते हैं, घर पहुंचते ही दे हैव टू गेट रेडी विद द ट्यूशन वर्क, दे हैव टू गो टू द ट्यूशन, दे हैव टू गो फॉर द कोचिंग्स. कोई भी टाइम उन्होंने अपनी हॉबी एक्टिविटी ले रखा ही नहीं है. तो एज अ पेरेंट, वी एज अ टीचर्स, वी एज द सपोर्टिंग फैसिलिटेटर्स, वी शुड ऑलवेज एनकरेज चिल्ड्रन टू एटलीस्ट डू एनीथिंग विच दे लाइक एज हॉबी वंस इन 2 or 3 days. 7 days में 2 से 3 बार भी करते हैं तो इट इज मोर देन इनफ. एटलीस्ट दे आर गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व विद व्हाट दे लव. It might be dancing, it might be drawing, it might be painting, it might be something which will keep them lively. Children are under so much of pressure. पढ़ाई का pressure, पढ़ना है, पढ़ना है, पढ़ना है. कितना पढ़ना है? We need skillful children. We need, even if we are searching from employment in the later run, we don't go for mark sheets. That's only this is secondary thing which we want. Firstly, primarily, we want someone who is skillful, someone who is interested in doing things. So doing things to tab aata hai when you are interested in doing something and you will do that. तो अगर आप हॉबी एक्टिविटीज़ बच्चों में ख़त्म करते जाएंगे वितेज, and we will never have skillful children, we will never have happy children, nowadays children don't even know what they actually like. So it's very shameful on our part. Let us all encourage children to do something which they like, which is their hobby, and the child in them stays alive.